Shifts Review 2025 Best Tool for Restaurants. Most people get restaurant scheduling tools wrong by assuming they only manage shifts. In 2025, Shifts goes beyond simple scheduling, offering a full suite of workforce management features. You won't believe what happens next. It can save restaurants hours each week while reducing scheduling conflicts. Shifts allows managers to create, edit, and publish schedules quickly. The surprising truth is that it also tracks availability, labor costs, overtime, and compliance with labor laws. Staff can request time off or swap shifts directly through the app, reducing administrative back and forth. Platform supports notifications and real-time updates, so employees always know when shifts change. It also integrates with payroll and POS systems, streamlining operations and ensuring labor costs stay on budget. For multi-location restaurants, Shifts centralize scheduling across all branches, making it easier to manage large teams. In conclusion, Shifts in 2025 is a strong tool for restaurants, aiming to optimize scheduling, reduce errors, and improve staff satisfaction. If you run a busy restaurant and want to save time while maintaining efficient labor management, Shifts is worth considering. Its combination of scheduling, compliance, and integration features makes it more than just a calendar app. It's a restaurant management solution.